She became clearly evident upon a gander after arrival that this sucker got hit with more girthy wood than my neighbor's ex-wife at a Friday fish fry, buddy. No question there. She came down, knocked the gables off her, took the gutter for a ride, banged up the siding, few spots, 8-inch aluminum. Yeah, then guess what? She tugged on those shutters, pal, like you couldn't imagine. Anyways, let's check it out. Yeah, boys, you can see there that tree come down, part of it, something, I don't know, no brain expert. Shih Tzu massaged this corner here, boys, cooked her like a jig's dinner. Took a corner off her like a fly-by-night, cutting corners, pal. They tarped this whole roof for like 2 little scrapes, but we're just gonna put some shingles, pin this tarp back down, carry on with our lives, boys. Just is what it is when you live in that tornado alley, Canadian tornado alley. First one in 30 years. Yeah, we just reuse the tarp, get it laying a little flatter, pound some shingles down on it. Bob's your aunt's husband, buddy. Believe me. Yep. It's called job security, buddy. I'd complain, but I hate complainers. So f them and f you. Now listen, folks. People keep asking over these last few videos, how come you guys are doing these temporary repairs, buddy? Why don't you guys just show up there and slam a few shingles on it, buddy? Call it fixed and charge them. Well, listen, pal. These are insurance reports for the company, buddy. What am I gonna do? If I show up there, slam a few shingles on it and call it fixed, well, guess what, Buck? I basically just took responsibility for that job, saying it's good when it's not. 96.53% of the time, we show up to do these inspections, I do the temp repairs, but guess what, buddy? I also find 3 other leaks on the roof that were left there from the frickin' pirate who did the thing, and I fixed those too. And guess what? I got over 130 roofs to look at over the next couple weeks. What am I gonna do? Get followed around by a material truck? Yeah, boys, just need 2-3 of every color. Oh no, wait. I'm gonna stop at the site, check the color, see what it needs, drive back across town, get material. Then I'm gonna go back to the site, fix it, claim responsibility for the job, get a call back in 2 months from the insurance company saying that roof that you approved on is still leaking. Your QC guy must be smoking rocks, pal. And I gotta tell him, well, I'm the QC guy. So guess what, bud? Anytime the roof has a problem, if you want us to claim responsibility on that, fix it for you, we're gonna be doing at minimum that whole section, buddy. 9 to 10 times out of 10, the roof wouldn't have blow-offs if the frickin' thing was installed properly, okay, bud? Now, when it comes to tree damage, that's an act of God. It's between Mother Nature and the homeowner, buddy. That's probably their karma, but guess what? I don't care. I'm here to do a report, pal. We're getting paid decent for just that. You wouldn't understand this aspect of the roofing trade when you get into working with these insurance companies. You just follow the rules, buddy. Don't hate the player, hate the game. I didn't write the rules. I just perform the job, pal. Perform it well. Okay, boys? So let's carry on. Get into this thing. Whoo-wee. Gotta eat, boys. Here checking out another one, and look, folks, got the 4 horses there on the garage there. Ian was just letting me know. See, I know that the 2 lions means the mortgage is paid off, but Ian just reminded me that 4 horses means there's 4,000 horsepower is sitting inside them doors, pal. Typically in one car around these parts. Yep, still windy. Big time bungalow, attached garage, you know how it is. Getting her done, folks. Check her out, boys. Scene of another one. I get the feeling this one is cooked, boys. Holy Hydra stack. Jeez Louise, look at this spider's web of Hydra stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4 different stacks running in there. Another support pole. Holy hot dog. She's wired up here like a junkie. Folks, This sucker got hit hard, pal. This sucker got hit harder than your bank account last time you fueled up, buddy. $2.20 a liter for diesel. What the heck is going on, folks? Anyways, boys, looking like a large log was maybe laid right in the living room on this place. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that tree went directly through the roof, pal, because she's about 25% missing. Took out trusses, the wood, everything up under that white tarp. There's a living room floor, buddy, not even a roof there. So, yeah, boys, a good one. Well, boys, just that one right there, you'd call that the old Captain Crunch special, buddy. Mother Nature gave no mercy to this place, boys. We did our thing, got all the photos, drawings, measurements, but yeah, we're too busy right now. We're not really interested in rebuilding any roofs. So just let them know, get a carpenter, fix that up, and we'll be here. We'll put a roof on it. We won't rebuild the place though. Too many places to be. Too many jobs lined up. Here's Ian, is just taking his ladder for a casual stroll. Get it some exercise. Good on him. Listen, boys. Yeah, we just came to inspect this roof. They had one little tab blow up. You can see there's a patch here where likely they had a chimney removed or maybe even just some blow-offs, but nowhere in this entire patch is there a nail. They just placed these shingles in and they didn't nail nothing. Didn't use no sauce. But you know what, boys? They look like they've been there a few years. That held up pretty well. It's a testament to that dual tire line, buddy, on the BP. Don't even need to nail it, boys. Yee-hoo!
No, we haven't, and I'm glad to hear from you because I should have Mel talk to you because he's the one that's connected with the insurance company. Because I would like to use you, but then Mel's telling me, well, the insurance guy wants to bring his, you know how these insurance people are, right?
Yeah.
They drive me nuts.
What you got with you? Holy, it looks burnt and melted. That looks gnarly. Why is it burnt and melted? Was there a fire here? Imagine the wind just ripped it off because it's brittle, crappy. It should never be used. Check it out, folks. That's a real deal lakesider. Best views in the game, folks. Ontario, Canada. There's a little wood exposed. That looks like she's been showing for a while. She's pale as Father Christmas. I wonder if the tower was already gone or if the windstorm just grabbed hold of it and wrestled to the ground, Hogan style, baby. Come on, jabroni. You're coming with me. Chimney's got years of patches. If that chimney had a nickname in the Bing, it would be Patches. Well, beautiful little bungalow there. Can't complain on that one. So don't bother, buddy. Let's check under her skirt. A little tire paper, little one layer. You know, what I like to see. She's cooked up a bit. She's gone full Saturday night fever. Apparently there's some temp repairs done up here someplace. Don't see any. Just see a tab missing, leaking actually. Holy. Wood's crispier than a 6-piece chicken. Oh, is that the temp repair right there? Hot dog, baby. yeah, so I like to see. It's the kind of roof I like to do too. Measure up, put her together, send her out. Got a feeling that garage might have a issue. Pretty big tree laying on it, so check that out next.